So launching the program, it starts with the title screen, which is displayed for a few seconds. Then it takes you to the main menu. You can select between playing or showing how it works. The how it works menu goes through how the system works, gives you a brief overview of the system, things I've all just discussed about how the scoring works, how the decision tree. It tries to explain the underlying electronics and computer science principles used in a way that is geared towards prospective students to get them to engage with not just the demonstration itself, but also the fundamental electronics and principles being applied. It then shows you the image processing pipeline, which I think is quite cool to see, and gives an explanation for each of the stages. Then once you're through with this menu, it brings you back here. Then you can choose to play it. It will then flash up a picture directly from the camera, and you need to check that the board is within the frame. Then it will ask you to select the difficulty. We can go with extreme right now. Then you can select between hints on or hints off. We'll select hints off for now. It will then load the game, and then say it's your turn. We play as red, so we'll start by going in the center. It will then capture that move, display it to the screen, and then display where Pascal will wish to play. So he wishes to play in column 4, as also indicated by the arrow. So we can play there. And then we can go again. This is programmed such that for all difficulties, it won't let you do very, very easy winning moves. It will also take all the opportunities it can to win itself. So we can play here now, and it should block us in column 6. And there it is. Say, for example, we play a yellow when it's supposed to be our turn, or we don't go where Pascal wishes to go. So if we play a move now, and then it computes Pascal's move as column 4, but we play in column 3 instead, it'll flash up an error, and then just take us back to the home menu. So now if we play again, it will yet again show us the board, make sure it's within the frame. You can select difficulty, this time we'll choose medium, and we'll have hints on. But now instead of loading the game, it asks us to clear the board. And now it loads the game. And now you can see at the bottom, the scores have been displayed along with an indication of the best move, the second best move, and the third best move, as indicated by medals. So we can play, oh, I forgot to close the gate. So we can play the best move in the center. We'll then capture that again. And now the next best move for Pascal would be to play in the center as well. However, it's on medium, so therefore it's selected a different column with a different ranking. And now we can see our next best move is column 6. So we can follow that. If we were to play in any of the other columns, say this first column, it has a score of -3, which would mean we are now set to lose. So now Pascal has the advantage. So on our next turn, you can see that all our scores are negative and that we will lose very quickly. If I try and lose the game fairly quickly, so I can show you the winning screen. Where's the worst move? It'd be this -7. And yet again, because it's on medium, Pascal won't necessarily be choosing the fastest way to win, because there is some random chance thrown in there depending on which moves will be selected. So there's a very clear blocking move I should play, but if I don't play it, then Pascal will take the winning opportunity. And then once the game has been won, we're told commiserations, and then it'll go back to the home menu where we can play again. Thank you.